Everyone. Today I would like to explore a digital tool that supports students with ADHD while they work on ill-structured problems in the classroom. My classroom area of study, writing and reading, has been defined as an ill-structured problem. Reading and writing are complex and have different areas of approach for each student. Writing requires well-structured thinking and organization in order to effectively express ideas. According to recent studies, students with ADHD have greater difficulties with planning and organizing their writing. My students with ADHD sometimes have trouble writing their outlines in a clear sequence, keeping track of the outline once it's done, and then organizing their writing while they're drafting. I want to improve this process. I would like to help my students build independence in their writing and believe that Citelighter would do just that while still providing the support that they need. This digital tool allows a teacher to create the outline that breaks down the writing piece into chunks. If you go over to your account and click on My Projects, you're able to create a project. To save time, I've already created one based off of an assignment I've done in my classroom. A few of the benefits of Citelighter, where you create your own outlines, is the color coding so that students can know to chunk this section of the writing together and when to focus on a new chunk of that piece. I also really like that the captures, which is where you keep your research notes and ideas, can be formatted. And it's also a split screen, so students don't have to look for their notes wherever they took them. They're all in one place, which helps with students with ADHD who struggle with organization. Your draft can be blank from the assignment outline, from the current draft that you're working on, and it syncs to Google Docs. My students are already well versed in Google Docs, so using this support is very beneficial because it's a familiar format with a new support added in. I also really like Citelighter's immediate feedback within the assignment and the ability to use a rubric builder within the website. Overall, I think that Citelighter allows students with organizational deficits to focus on one area of the paper at a time. It's beneficial to students to use this tool digitally because it allows them to keep their notes, research ideas, and outline all in one place. The student is able to work on it at school, at home, and even on their phone if they were so inclined. Overall, it's accessible and well structured, and I think supports students in general, specifically students with ADHD, to improve their writing and give them independence within the process.